Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to connect Schlage Lock to Apple Home HomeKit pairing step-by-step setup guide. Connecting your HomeKit enabled Schlage Lock such as the Encode Plus to Apple Home takes just a few minutes. You can pair it directly through the Apple Home app or use the Schlage app to unlock extra features like lock history and firmware updates. Follow one of the two methods to complete your setup. Method 1. Pair directly using the Apple Home app. This is the simplest one. First, put lock and pairing mode. Remove the interior cover of your lock and press the black pairing button for about a second. The lock will flash indicating it is in pairing mode for 5 minutes. Then open Apple Home. Now open the Apple Home App Store app on your iPhone or iPad. Now add the accessories. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner and select Add Accessory. Then scan the code. Now use your iPhone camera to scan the HomeKit QR code located on the lock's inside label, Quick Start Guide, or User Manual. Alternatively, you can tap the top of your iPhone against the lock if prompted. Next, finalize the setup. Now follow the remaining on-screen prompts to name your lock, assign it to a room, and enable features like Apple Home Key. Method 2. Pair using the Schlage app first, recommended. First, connect to Schlage Home. Download and open the Schlage Home app to pair your lock to your account and local Wi-Fi. Next, access works with. Now tap the menu icon on the top left corner of the Schlage Home app and select Works with. Then select HomeKit. Now check Apple HomeKit, then get started and follow the in-app prompts to transition to the Apple Home app to finish the setup. Here are some important tips in troubleshooting. Apple Home Hub requirements. To control your lock remotely, automate it with other smart devices, or share access with family, you will need a designated Apple Home Hub like the HomePod or Apple TV, set up within your home. For Apple Home Key, if you are using a compatible lock like the Schlage Encode Plus, setting it up in Apple Home will allow you to add a digital key to your Apple Wallet so you can tap your phone or Apple Watch to unlock the door. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.